Hey guys, what's up? This is your girl Billy, aka the vegan model, coming to you just to share a little bit about my week. This week I have decided to go without processed meats, basically. It's so easy to be a vegan and go to the grocery stores and pick up all of this meatless meat and eat it throughout the week. As a vegan, I don't want to create a habit of eating it like all the time. So I, for the first time, went an entire week without processed meats, what we call meatless meats. And so today is Friday, and it's a little challenging. Sitting in the parking lot of Trader Joe's. I am preparing to go in and figure out what I'm having for dinner tonight. So stay tuned. Y'all hear that? 888 Afro beats in the house. Hey. Go Bill. All right, Billy, focus. Okay, so guys, I am getting out of the car now. I am going into Trader Joe's and we will see what's for dinner. Hey guys, I'm back. So I had a very successful trip to Trader Joe's as always. And as always, I went in there and I picked up so much more than what I needed, what I went in there for. But it's okay because it happens, right? So moving right along, I decided what I was having for dinner tonight. Pasta. So the type of pasta that I decided to do tonight is an avocado creamy sauce pasta. And guess what? I will walk you through it. So to go with my dinner, I decided to make a dessert as well, since it's Friday, you know. The dessert that I have decided to do is cheesecake. Yes, cheesecake from scratch, and it is vegan. Oh my gosh. So stay tuned. I will show you.